Hi, my name is Vibeke and welcome to Diving Dogs Crochet. Today I want to show you how to do this granny square. This has a lot of steps, but it's actually quite easy to do. I will begin from the center and then work my way out and eventually making it into a square. This is an easy one to do, but if you think this is going too fast, then remember you can always slow down the speed of the video in the settings below. And if you think I'm talking too slowly, then speed up the video as well. For the yarn, I've used a DK weight and then a 4.5mm hook. And if you love granny squares as much as I do, then go ahead and check out my playlist of granny squares where I'm showing you all the granny squares I've made. I'm working on doing every granny square in the world. I also have another tutorial where I show you the same square just in one color if you prefer to watch that instead. But let's begin with this one now. First we make a slip knot. Then we chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we do a double crochet into this first chain we did. So yarn over and insert the hook into the first chain and double crochet. So now we have 1 double crochet, and then these chains count as the first double crochet. So we actually have 2 double crochet. Now we will do another double crochet into this little circle down here. So yarn over and do the next double crochet into the little ring in the center. So now we have what counts as 3 double crochet. Continue with double crocheting into this little circle until you have 16 double crochet, counting this one as the first. So 1, 2, 3. Continue until you have 16 double crochet. So when you have 16 double crochet, we can now connect with a slip stitch on top of here. Then begin the next round. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these 4 chain now counts as 1 double crochet and 1 chain. So in the next stitch we do 1 double crochet. And then we chain 1. Then in the next stitch, do 1 double crochet. Then chain 1. And then a double crochet in the next. So just keep double crocheting in each stitch with a chain in between. When you're all the way around, you should have 16 double crochets with spaces. And at the end of the round, we chain 1 and connect with a slip stitch in the top chain from the beginning. So now we finished round 2. Now we cut the yarn and pull this loop through, and then we will attach the new color, which is the yellow one for me, and we will connect it at any of these little gaps. So just insert the hook in either of these gaps and pull the yarn through, and then attach it with a little knot, just a simple knot. And then we insert the hook and pull up a loop, and then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And now this chain 3 counts as the first double crochet. We will do another double crochet into this chain space. So in the same space, we will do another double crochet. So now we have 2 double crochet in this first space. Now in this next double crochet, we will do a double crochet. So just insert the hook on top in the stitch up here and double crochet. And then in the next space, we will do 2 double crochet in this space. So just 1 double crochet in this space. Then yarn over and insert the hook in the same chain space and do another double crochet. So now we have 2 double crochet in the space, then a double crochet in this double crochet, and then 2 double crochet in the next space. We will continue this way all the way around. So in the next double crochet, we do a double crochet. And in the next chain space, we will do 2 double crochet into this space. So 2 double crochet. just continue this way all the way around. And the final stitch of the round would be a double crochet into this double crochet. So just one final double crochet. And then we can join the round with a slip stitch in the top chain up here. So just insert the hook in the chain up here and slip stitch. So now our round is complete. Now we will begin the next round and we will chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And these 6 chains will count as this first one as a single crochet and then the other 5 as chains. So 1 single crochet and 5 chains. Now you will skip the next 2 stitches. So this one and this one, skip those and then do a single crochet in this 3rd stitch from your hook. So just insert and single crochet. And this is our first corner of our square. Now you will chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then skip the next 2 stitches and do a single crochet in the 3rd. And repeat. Chain 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then skip the next 2 stitches and do a single crochet in the 3rd. And do this once more, chain 3 and skip 2 and a single crochet in the 3rd. And this is the side of the square. Now we will do another corner. So we chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then skip 2 stitches and do a single crochet in the 3rd. So now we have 2 corners and the side. Now you continue all the way around. You chain 3, skip 2, then a single crochet. Do this 3 times, just like over here. And then for the next corner, you just chain 5, but only skip 2 stitches, and then repeat all the way around. And then to finish this round, we will finish with a slip stitch over here, just to finish it up. And then we will finish with a slip stitch in this chain. So just insert the hook into this chain and slip stitch. So we are over here when we begin the next round. We will begin the next round with a chain of 3. So 1, 2, 3, and these 3 chains count as our first double crochet. Now we will do another 4 double crochet, so we have 5 in total, including the chain 3 as a double crochet. So just in this same corner space, you'll just keep inserting the hook into the same space until you have 5 double crochet, including your chain 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I always pull them a bit together because we are going to finish the next half of the corner. So we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we do another 5 double crochet in the same space. So just insert the hook in the same space and do another 5 double crochet in the corner space. So the corner space will always be 5 double crochet, then chain 3, and then another 5 double crochet. So that's our corner space. Now we will move on to the side, and we have these 3 spaces. In the first space over here, we will just do 1 single crochet. So insert the hook into this chain space and single crochet. And that's it for this space. Now in the middle space right here, we will do 7 double crochet. So you yarn over and then you insert the hook into this space, and then you do 7 double crochet in the same space. And then it looks like this. Then the next space over here, we will do 1 single crochet. So insert the hook and single crochet in the next. And then we made it to the next corner right here. You chain 5 space, we will do 5 double crochet, then chain 3 just like over here, and then another 5 double crochet into this corner space. And then we make it over here, and there you will just repeat this step where you do 1 single crochet, then 7 double crochet, and then 1 single crochet in this one. You just repeat this all the way around. And here at the end of the round, we will now join with a slip stitch in the top chain up here, just to finish it up. And then I will change the color again, so I will cut the yarn, then pull through, just to start the next round on another place. Then I will twist it, and then just before the next corner, I will attach the new yarn, which will be a purple one for me. So in this single crochet over here, I will now insert the hook and attach the purple yarn. I will try that again. Just insert the hook, grab the purple yarn and pull through, and then tie a knot so we can get started on this next round. So insert the hook and pull up a loop, and then I will chain 8. So just yarn over and pull through 8 times. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the first 3 counts as a double crochet, and then the next 5 will count as the chain that goes on top of the next corner. So you will skip all these stitches and go ahead and dive into this corner space where you will work 1 single crochet. So just insert the hook into this corner space and work 1 single crochet. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and do another single crochet in the same corner space. So now you have a new little corner space. Then you will chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then in this single crochet you did down here, you will now do a double crochet. So yarn over and insert the hook down there in this stitch and work 1 double crochet like this, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then on top on this bow right here in the 4th stitch, this one in the middle, you'll do 1 single crochet. So insert the hook in the center right there, work 1 single crochet, then chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then work a double crochet in this stitch down here. So yarn over and work 1 double crochet in this stitch, and then we will do the next corner. So chain 5 and skip all these stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then work a single crochet in this corner chain. 1 single crochet, then chain 3, and work another single crochet in the same corner space. And we have a new little corner space. Then you repeat all the way around. So the next thing is a chain of 5. So do 5 chains over here, then a double crochet in this one, then chain 3 and work a single crochet in this middle one, then chain 3 and work a double crochet in this one down here, and then chain 5 and work the next corner just like this. Repeat this all the way around, and I will meet you up back here. And then you finish with your final chain of 3 right here, and then you do a slip stitch in the 3rd chain you did over here. So 1, 2, 3, insert the hook in the 3rd chain and slip stitch, and then do a slip stitch in this chain just to get over there when you start the next round. Now you chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And then you do another 4 double crochet into this chain space, because this one counts as your first double crochet. Then do another 4 double crochet into this space. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now you have 5 double crochet in this chain space. Then in this corner space, you'll do 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then do another 3 double crochet in this corner space. 1, 2, and 3. And then you have this big space over here. You will do 5 double crochet into this chain space. So just yarn over, insert the hook in this big chain space, and do 5 double crochet. And that's 5. So in the next space, you'll do 3 double crochet. And in this one as well, you'll do 3 double crochet in this one. And then in this big space right here, you will do 5 double crochet. Then when you make it to this corner space, you'll do 3 double crochet, then chain 3, and then 3 double crochet. Then in this one, you'll do 5 double crochet, then 3, 3, 5, and then you'll just continue all the way around. And then at the end, you can now join with a slip stitch in the top chain, and you're done with your square. Then you break the yarn, pull this through. You can even do it even bigger. You can just add a few rounds, or you can just leave it at that. But that's it. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!